Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. I hope also you're not melting away like I am today. England has just been insane recently, and I'm not complaining because I absolutely love the heat, but if we were better prepared, as in if we had AC in our houses, it would be great. But considering we're just using fans, I'm melting away upstairs. So I wanted to do a series called Summer Essentials, and basically it's my favorite pieces, things, items, whatnot, slash a bit of a haul for you of things that I love getting in the summer, because every summer I get the same style or the same sort of, I have the same concept, and there's so many things to get, and I just want to kind of collate all the my favorites in one. So I thought I would do like little things like body care, makeup, hair, jewelry, and like small leather goods and like perfume, and a haul in one in this series or in this video, and then next one I'll do like clothes and shoes, or I might add the shoes. I brought them with me, add them here, so depending on the length and how long this video is, I don't want to bore you, but I've just been so excited to share most of these things because I think these are the absolute summer essentials. So the first thing is I'll go on to like makeup and skincare, and I will do a separate skincare routine because I know a lot of you have asked me what my summer routine is. But this refreshing botanical gel wash with aloe extract from Garnier is really nice because it's just simple gel. You can wash your face in the shower or wash it by the sink, and it's a normal combination, rinse off, and obviously it's very nice and in terms of no parabens, no silicones, no colorants and all that, and it's just refreshing. It's gel, it's light, and it just kind of cleans your face nicely. Even if you don't wear much makeup in the summer, your face is still dirty with pollution and dust and sweat and everything like that, so you still need to wash your face really well. So I love that. Going along with skincare, it is really essential to have SPF, even if you live in a country like England. This LMS Pro Collagen Cream has SPF 30 in it, which is fantastic. I personally don't go beyond 30 because there's not much research supporting that beyond SPF 30 is any better. So I'm just keeping to SPF 30, and I like this cream because it's still quite rich, but it's not heavy feeling, and you know, at least I'm getting some protection as well, so I like that. And in the evening, I've been absolutely dying over the Decleor. This is the hydrating oil serum, and this looks like a tiny bottle, and this tiny bottle was about 20 odd pounds, which bit me when I first bought this, because it came in a bigger box and I thought that I was getting more, and so I looked at this and I was really disappointed. But you only need 2 drops, and literally you do need only 2 drops, because it annoys me when people are like, oh, you only need a little drop, and then, you know, it's spreading my face, and then I feel like I have to put 50 in there. 2 drops, and you can actually rub it between your palms, which I generally don't do because it absorbs all there, so I rather do it from the back, but I have been doing it from my palms and it's not absorbing very quickly, and then I just pat my face, and I can't tell you how moisturizing this is. It's not one of those oils where it just seeps into your skin and you don't feel oily, but you can kind of feel either a film or that it's completely absorbed in your skin. This literally feels like you've put on a really good cream, and it smells lovely, and I can't say enough good things about this. I was very impressed, so it's definitely a summer essential and favorite for me from now on. To go along with body, I've mentioned this before, this is my Derma Spa Summer Revived by Dove from medium to dark skin. I've got it on me today. Not that I have a before picture for you to see, but you can't tell that I've got like a, you know, kind of like a bronzer, like self-tanner on. I have no marks, no creases, and I've just got like a really nice glow to myself. Like, it looks like skin. It smells really good. I put this on after the shower. I rub it in everywhere, and, you know, I wash my hands still, and I wake up, or not even wake up, just within an hour, I can just tell that I'm more glowy and more pigmented from within. So obviously building up, you'll get more tan, but just like this, where I don't look like artificial, but I just look like I have some color on me, I really enjoy. It's really good if you wear dresses and you just want your legs to be a little bit colored and you don't maybe have time to do everywhere else. It kind of just blends in nicely, but I always touch up my arms and my legs for sure, and just like a little bit around my décolleté and neck. Then to go on with face, and obviously keeping with the theme of a summer vibe, everyone does the bronze look, the glittery look, the, you know, highlighty look, and I agree, it's just the best. And this has been one of my absolute favorites. This is the Clarins SOS primer. It gives a sun-kissed look, and it's number 6 bronze. They have 2 bronze colors. This one's the lighter shade, and it is wonderful. It is just like the By Terry, oh, what's it called? I have it here. The CC brightening serum, if you wanted to get the darker one, but for less expensive and actually much better. I think this is much more value for money, and basically it just feels like a little bit of a lotion, and it goes all bronze on your skin, but then it just melts away, and so you don't look super tanned. But then I put like my regular foundation on, and this is like all day, but I look really like effortless. I look kind of like flawless, and again got a colour to my face without looking like I've got streaks or lines. I love this stuff. And then my Chanel bronzer. This is the Soleil Tan de Chanel one, or the Universal. And again, perfect, glowy, natural colour. And then the lipstick I'm wearing, which is a kind of a cross between an orange and a red. This is by Chanel. This is the Rouge Allure number 21 in Exotic. It's my go-to. I love doing sort of like an orangey lip. I just think it's so bright, but not too bad to wear if you eat and something, you know, when it wipes off it looks bad. But it's just got a moisturizing sheen finish to it, and it's just a beautiful sort of like sunset color. And as I said, I've got it on now, and it just gives a little pop of punch, which I love. And then to go again with the summer theme, the Peach palette by Too Faced, the Sweet Peach palette. I mean, if you look at the colours, they're summer, aren't they? They're just perfect, and I love the scent. And what I normally do is I just do like a very nude or beigey eye, and then I just do a crease in a sort of a browny, reddish brown colour to kind of like throw in like, you know, the warmth and stuff. And then if I'm feeling like daring or different, I will add an army green, a khaki green, always looks gorgeous. This corally colour, I mean, all of them look amazing. And then I tend to stay away from the brownie blacks unless I'm going out, where I'll mix it with the purples or the blues and kind of do a really smoky effect like that. And it just looks so good on tanned skin, and especially if you're just wearing pretty much all white and denim in the summer, which I do, and you'll obviously see what I wear in my next video as my summer essentials. Hair wise, I repurchased a Tangle teaser. This one's the wet one, and I got it in a baby pink, and because I just thought it was so cute. But I love putting these in the shower. It's really important to condition your hair and then just brush through nicely, not to give a lot of breakage, because obviously in the summer your hair gets more damaged with the sun and the salt in the sea. So I really like that. And deodorant. Body sprays. My favourite is to layer the same fragrance I have, like I currently wear. So Coco Chanel, it's quite a warm scent. It's not particularly a typical summer scent, but I really like that warmth in the evening. And this deodorant is the spray, matching spray. And I feel like it helps actually. It's not just as a body spray. I really do feel like it helps with as a deodorant. So I like just layering scents, and sometimes that can be quite heavy and kind of a bit suffocating, but I appreciate it lingering on when, you know, I don't have always time to reapply. And then if you want more of a summer scent, I recently went to Jo Malone, and I haven't bought anything from Jo Malone in such a long time, but when I saw this packaging, obviously it was very fun and summery, and I thought, oh, so gimmicky, it's not even going to be a fragrance that everyone loves, it's going to be too citrusy and too fresh, and that goes well with some, but for some people, for me, on my skin it just kind of feels like a cleaning product, or like I've gone for a bath and I'm fresh in that respect, but that's about it. So let me show you what it looks like. Such cute packaging. Oh, it smells divine. So I've got like a neon pink string. Let me pull this down. And I bought this one because it will fit into my in my bag really nicely. So I bought the Tropical Cherimoya cologne, and I can't tell you what it smells like, so that's great. But you have to smell it. It smells beautiful. It is fresh, but it's and florally and girly and not what you think. Oh, I love it. It's like blossomy. That's the best way to describe it, and not as citrus and fresh like that as I thought. It's really beautiful. This floral note that it has to it, like a jasmine or a blossom, really just gets me. And packaging is so cute and so fun. And this is just, these colognes will just stick and linger on you so much nicer in the summer. So I'm so glad. It is limited edition. I believe this was £47, which will last you a good year and a half for sure. Well worth it. I might have to splurge and get the big one because I think this is just the most perfect summer scent. It is a scent you would want to wear on a summer date. That's how I would describe it. So, yeah. Okay, glasses. I am not a huge glasses person because I need prescription. So unless I'm wearing contact lenses, I can't wear regular glasses. So to me, investing in a prescription sunglass was the way to go because, as I said, I don't wear contacts very often. And so I've had these for a good 6-7 years. These are by Cartier. And I would just go with a frame that suits, like shape that suits you the best. So a little bit of a cat eye, black is wonderful. Now I originally went for one that wasn't completely blacked out, so you can still see my eyes when I talk to you. I did that because I was scared when driving how it would be, but that was absolutely made no sense, so I don't really know. I should have gone for a complete blackout. But recently I've seen that everything is about a see-through lens. I personally don't like people to see my eyes. I think because I roll my eyes quite a lot. And so if I wear shades, I just naturally assume no one can see me. So I probably roll a lot more. Dangerous. But I like them. They're just simple, they're classic, they never go out of style. And I always get compliments on them. And I don't need to wear my contacts. So it's really, really great having prescription sunglasses. In terms of jewelry, as you'll see from the haul and from like the items that I'll show you when I talk about my clothes, it is a lot of white and cream. So I need colors. Like I have these golden turquoise earrings from Iran. They give a pop of color. These are known as the Arzu earrings. These are by Swarovski. These are just like little drop earrings, but I literally recommend them to every single person on the planet because even though the size looks quite big, hello Lola, come over here please, my puppy's here, even though the size is quite big, they feel like nothing on. And then necklaces, I love layering gold. Gold just goes well with the bronze skin, even silver when you're super bronze, it's just such a lovely contrast. But I'm obsessed with like the lockets and chains and old school pendants, and I have these two by Miranda Frye and I absolutely love them. Not only are they so chic in the winter, but in the summer, layering them up and having just lots of chains and just like loose white linen shirts and stuff, it just looks so chic. So this is my, I think, hope necklace. And then I've got this little cross one, which I love too. So I'll leave links down below as well. And then talking about small leather goods, I recently got this, well I got this today from Mulberry. In the summer we don't really wear as many bags and we don't carry our whole life with us, and so I feel like investing in a small card holder is really, really good. So this is what it looks like, Lola. Yeah. I bought this actually on sale, which was ideal. So this is the best time to get it because summer sales are out too. So I got this one. It's a sort of like animal skin looking one. It's a beautiful green. and it just says Mulberry, England there, and then it has a little mulberry tree embossed there. And I just think a little pop of colour, again with the white, the denim, the creams, the linens, it just adds a little colour. It's so lightweight, you can just put a bit of cash, your cards, and you're good to go. And honestly, I just wear like an Eva clutch, or what I'm going to show you, another sort of bag, and I have my lipstick and my phone and a perfume, and that's all I take with me. So having a little card holder is a perfect summer essential. So I'm really excited about this one. I really love this. And I think I got this for £77, and it's normally like 110 or 120, something like that. So it was a very good deal. And not everyone has it too. Also, a belt. A belt is a beautiful accessory. I have a Gucci one. You don't have to get a Gucci one, but this is my summer essential. I've worn the heck out of this in the winter, but in the summer I've absolutely adored it. Just with a white t-shirt and you know, like linen trousers, and this, it just looks so good. Or obviously with shorts, or belted around high-waisted jeans. Like, it goes with anything. Like a statement piece is really nice and adds to your like accessories and your look. If you feel like wearing jewelry is too much, but you still want like something to make it a little bit more special, a belt is a good one to go for. And then talking about bags, a vintage bag. I would suggest getting like a backpack or a vintage bag, or like one of those little Hassian baskets bags, but a vintage bag. I think vintage in the summer just looks so cool. So raid your mum's cupboards, raid your older sister's cupboards, like whoever, like your aunties, whatever, and get an old bag, because it just looks so effortless. And this one's the Dior saddle bag. I had bought this on eBay for like $108 or something. It was ridiculous, and it was brand new. Like, I'm the one who's kind of scratched this up, and it was just one of those rare finds, and but beautiful. And what I do is I don't even hold it like that. I just let it flop, and I use it as a clutch like this. And as I said, I just put my little card holder in, and a perfume, and my phone, and I'm good to go with my keys. It is just wonderful, and it just makes your outfit, the whole purpose for me, the whole concept for me, is the most plainest and simplest and easygoing clothes, and then you accessorize with one or two things, either your shoes or your jewelry or your makeup. And that's what summer's about, because it's all about enjoying outside and enjoying the people around you versus what you're wearing, where I feel like maybe we put more of an effort in the winter time because we're not showing as much skin or not as happy, I don't know. But I love a good Dior or a good vintage bag. I was going to bring shoes, but I think I'll add that with the clothes in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care, guys. Bye!